Citizenship Amendment Bill is now Citizenship Amendment Act. I personally support this. On my perception, our Prime Minister Modi ji have actually incorporated a very good act to save our nation from terrorism. That's my personal opinion. And Amit Shah and Modi ji are actually doing a very great job. More power to you both people, because I know when something good you do, there's going to be a lot of people who are going to go against it, but eventually it's for our nation's good, and that's what you people are fighting for. I support Modi ji, and this NRC, National Register of Citizens, what they're trying to do is they're trying to flush out the infiltrates from our country. I think we need to understand the depth of this act, why they have actually incorporated this, but few political parties actually are creating a lot of agitation over this, and they are creating violence, and which is actually causing a lot of danger to the public. And police department should actually focus on actually setting all this riot right. Modi ji and Amit Shah, what I would say is, please set the police department right. Police department is very important on any case, because there are so much political parties who are having connections with many officials in the police department, and probably, who knows, they are also one of the reasons who are actually making this riot go nationwide. And all of the political parties along with the police department is creating this ruckus, and the innocent public are spoiled. It's very easy to manipulate people, and it's very easy to confuse people. There are so many people who might not know the depth of this act, why it is done. So I personally support Modi ji. More power to both of you people. Please people, do understand what they are trying to do. It's for our own good, so that there is no terrorism. They are trying to make India free of terrorism. They are trying to make India more secure. They are trying to make Indian people very secure, so that we are not going to get into any trouble or endanger in the future. This act, we might not understand the importance of it right now, but down the line, a decade, we all know how important this act was. I support both you people, and I pray to God. And what I would say is, the police department should actually be supportive and make sure the public is not getting into too much danger because of the political parties who are creating agitation purposefully for their own personal, professional and political reasons. Thank you so much.